Hello guys, welcome. This is Jeet and you are watching IndieCuber. Well guys, I hope you must have seen my part 1 and 2 where I have taught you how to solve the beginner's cube in another ways, which might be a professional way for you if you are expert or you are moving the cube faster. First you have to get across on the entire cube, matching their corner pieces. Then you have to complete 2 layers like this. And after doing this, you will left with only center layer, edge pieces. So I hope I do not need to show you the recap of the previous videos. Now in this part we are going to talk about how to permute the edges properly. So there is a simple algorithm. If you have a one piece matching like this, put it on this back side at the bottom and then follow the simple algorithm that will be M U2 M U2. As you can see, the cube is solved entirely, and the number of moves, which I believe you must have noted, was very less. Okay, I'm putting up another example to you where I'm descrambling the cube completely so that you will get some other situations here. In this situation, you can see I have one pair of matching. I have put it on the back at the bottom. Now following the same algorithm, M U2 M U2. Once again I have got this completed easily. If you are able to understand the movement is going where to where, you would be able to solve the cube easily. So this method is called X and O method, where X is called corner piece orientation and O is called edges orientation. Like for example, here I have placed this matching, put it right in this direction, then follow the same algorithm once again, you will get the cube easily done. Situation where there is no match and you are getting no piece placed correctly, you M U twice, M U twice. This will give you the orientation of the pieces on the opposite layer. Here you can see. Then M U twice. You have got one piece. Now you have got 2 layers completed, 2 pieces. Then M U twice, M U twice. So this is all about how to orient the edges properly. Okay. So this is all about how to orient the edges properly. Thank you so much guys for your support and for giving the time on this video. I hope you must have learned something or new moves from this video. Please like us, subscribe us and support us to grow and to share my knowledge as much as I can. Thank you so much for being a part of InterCuber.